Well, I had an accident with my car and the mirror broke, so I put a temporary mirror there with tape. The original one is white like the car. See, the car is white, the mirror is white with the light here, black in the front. But I could not find a white mirror. Even the dealership, they don't have white mirrors, they only have black mirrors. See, like this one, that's the one that I got today. Took me 1.5 months to get, and it came from China. Nowhere can you find a white mirror or another color. The only color they have is black. Well, so I'm going to install a black mirror instead of a white one. What we have to do is we have to pull off this cover here. So let's pull off the cover. And then we have two black covers around here. There's one here. One black here and one black on the back side. You just can pull it off. Put your nail underneath and push it out. This is one. To pull out the other one. And the other one. And here you have to push something, you have to push here, and then you can pull it out. That's it. Well, a 10mm wrench will work. Take out the 3 nuts. That's it, it should come off now. There it is. Put down the new mirror. Tighten the screws very tight. That's it. the plug back in until it clicks. Then we have to put those black things back in there. Just push them in the side. And then push it in. In the side, down. That's it. Push this back in there. Put down here first. That's it, ready to go. There's my new mirror. Black one, of course. It has the light there too.